Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can crop videos using PowerPoint. So cropping video is a pretty common task and there are a lot of different ways you can do that. But if you have PowerPoint installed on your computer already, which a lot of people have, then it's pretty easy to do that. Let me show you how you can do that. So I'm going to start PowerPoint. I'm going to create a blank presentation. Now I need to insert the video which I want to crop. So I'm going to go to insert video and video on my PC. I'm going to use this sample video just to show you how it can be cropped. So I'm going to just change the frame. Okay. So once you have inserted your video, in your toolbar on the top right corner you will see crop. So you need to select that. As soon as you select that, you will see these markers on your video. So using that, you can just adjust your size of your video whichever you want to have. So I'm just going to show you a sample. You can obviously choose the exact size or whatever you want to keep. So let's say I want to keep this area, I want to discard everything else. So once I'm done with that, if you still need to make changes, you can always go again and change it. But let's say I'm done here, I'm going to click crop again, and that's my final video size. Even after this, if you want to crop it again, you can do that by pressing crop again if you need to. So let's say how it looks like now, if you just want to preview it. Okay, so let's say my video looks fine. I'm happy with what I have. Now I need to export it again back to my video. So if I try to export it right now, what will happen is that I will have a blank white space and the video setting in between. If you want that, that's fine, but in most cases you would want to have it taking up entire size and fill your slide. So let's see how you can do that. To do that, what you need to have is that you need to change your size of slide to fit the size of your video. So you will see the width and height of your video here. When you select your video, you will see the width and height here. So now we need to change the size of your slide to fit that. So let's do that. So it's 24.07 and 10.21 now. So now select your slide, go to design, and from slide size select custom. So I'm going to select it. Let me check the size again quickly. So I'm going to change it to 2407 and 1021, which is the side of my video. Now click OK. You can choose either options. I'm going to say maximize. You just need to adjust your video to fit your slide if it's not fitting already. So now you can see it's taking up the entire space and it's full screen now. So now I can save it. Choose save or press Ctrl S. Change your extension to be any of the video formats, whatever you prefer, MP4 or WMV. I'm going to do MP4 and then click save. So once you do that, it will start creating your video. You will notice this progress bar here. Now depending upon the size of your video that you have, if it's a long video, it's going to take a long time. If it's a small one, it's going to be very quick. So just give it a few seconds. It might even take a minute or so. So let's just wait for it to finish and then I'm going to show you the final video. Okay, so now it's done. Let's go to my desktop and see what's the final video look like. So this is the one after cropping. Let me play that for you. And you can see it's exactly how we cropped it. Now while cropping videos, you need to be careful with your aspect ratio and everything. So just crop exactly to the size that you want. So that's how you can crop videos using PowerPoint. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.